Welcome back to another video. Today we're replacing this sink disposal right here. It's a pretty easy step-by-step process. Stay tuned. Before we jump into that, you might realize, wow, you're in a new house. That's right, I'm in a new house. We are selling our other house that we renovated, so subscribe to the channel to see updates on that, see how much we made from doing a live-in house flip, and yeah, tips and tricks and all the other renovation stuff. Subscribe and let's get back into the video. Went to Home Depot, got this bad boy. This is the InSinkErator, half horsepower, 3-year warranty, Badger 500. So this should be easy replaceable with this one in here. But yeah, make sure you know which one you get because some of them don't switch out very well. So I guess we're gonna take off the plumbing first. I'm gonna try to get y'all a good shot in here. So there's two connections here to plumbing. This one is for the dishwasher up top, and then this bottom one is for the going down to the drain and then out. These two have a connection. This is connection, and then the top is a connection. So this one right there. Oh, might be some water dripping there. And then this last one should just twist off. I think I might have to pull this out first. So we're gonna do this here. Pretty tight. Oh, there we go. Shit. And there's that. And so this is plugged in behind the dishwasher here. Alright, 2 screws up there. Check back in here. So this has a connection there all the way to that plug right there. And now we install a new one. They're interchangeable. And this comes with another top if you have like a new sink, but I don't need this because I have an old sink. It's like it's not a new install, if you will. And this is for the connection points. Here's the new one, just like this. It looks exactly like the old one. It got the out here. It's got the in for the dishwasher here, and then it's got the top here. There's no plug on this. Oh, I forgot about that. So this one, Alrighty, bought this little baby tool set from Home Depot yesterday for my Xbox that's broken, that I can't fix. But we're just gonna do that there. So this is the new one, and then this is the bottom that I just took off from here. Here's the wires, 1, 2, and then at the bottom of this, there's stuff in there. So I'm gonna try not to dump it all out. Basically, I'm gonna take this off and put it on this. So we're taking the wires off here, kaboom, kaboom, and then that, take that off, kaboom. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take this completely off if I can. I think I'm gonna do without that nut for now and keep on going with this. Basically, I'm gonna take the cord, stick it through this hole right here like it was in the other one, and then connect them together. Make sure they're connected. By pulling up a little bit, go with this one. This is black, and I don't think it matters which one goes to which one here. Besides the ground off. That connected. Then we tucky. Like I said, I'm leaving this off, but you can put a clamp on it like that. Either way. String it through the back. That's plugged in. We just lift this up. Damn it. Ow. Alright, a little bit easier to get in. Just gotta twist it up now. Should be tight enough on. Now we put this stuff back together. Alright, make sure that's tight because you don't want any drippage. And we got this bad boy here. That is all tight there. 1, 2. That's tight there. 1. And then this is all the way tight up there. Now the next step is we test the water to make sure it's draining properly and there's no leakages.
So the water will come through here, out that way. Oh. Good. That's this.
Alright, and that's how you fix a sink disposal. Super easy, but not cheap. About 150 bucks. I don't know what a plumber would charge to fix this. Probably like 300 because the part is expensive. And it took me, I don't know how long it took me. 11:09, maybe like 20 minutes. Time check on the chat. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and check out the next video, and I'll show you how to do something super cool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See y'all later. And I'll see you out there. Toodaloo.